Everyone, Laura Mackey here. I thought I'd create a tutorial to show how to import your files from an SD card. What you first want to do is insert your SD card into your computer slot. Then you want to go ahead and click down here in Lightroom, Import. Make sure, by the way, at the top that you are in the Library module. Then come down and click Import. You'll notice here that all the images are showing that are on your SD card, and you'll see on the left hand side it shows the name of your SD card, which is the camera that you took the pictures with. In this case it's my Nikon D750. The default Lightroom shows is all the images are checked because it assumes that you want to import all of the images. If you don't want to import all the images, you can come around down here at the bottom and click Uncheck All, and then come back and manually check the ones that you want to import. Let's just say I want to import the first row. Go ahead and click the first picture, hold your Shift key down, and then click the last picture, and it highlights the row. It's not quite ready to import though because it still needs these boxes to be checked. Since this row is highlighted, you can click any box in this row and then all of the check marks will show. Now Lightroom is ready to import. Make sure up here that it says copy. You don't want to move these from your SD card. You want to copy them from your SD card to a destination on your computer. And that is the next step. Basically, you can come down here where it says File Renaming and rename the files upon import, which I really like because I don't like these camera file names anymore. I want to see the name of the event that I shot the photos at. In this case, it was the 16th Street station. So how do I do that? You want to go ahead and make sure that this is checked. Rename files. Then come here and click Custom Name Sequence. This will give me the opportunity to have the name 16th Street Station -1, -2, -3, and so on. Click that, and then go ahead and add your custom text. In this case, it's the 16th Street Station, which is the event. And then it will start the number at 1, and you want to leave the extension as it is because they are raw files and I don't want to change that yet because I haven't done anything to the files except for import them. Now I'm going to go ahead and come down here to Destination, and I'm going to choose a place that I want these files to be. You want to make sure that this says Into Subfolder and that the Organize shows into one folder. You want all these pictures to go into one folder and not be scattered around. So those two things are very important upon import. Now you're going to tell Lightroom where to put these folders. Basically, if there's a folder that you already want these to go to, that is great. You can go ahead and select the folder that you want. However, let's just say there is not a folder yet. You go ahead and click the highest folder that you want the subfolder to be in, and then right click to create a new folder in that folder. So I'm going to go ahead and say that, let's just say that I'm going to call this train station. Or, well, I'll call it 16th. There isn't already a 16th Street station, I noticed on my Lightroom there, but I'm going to call it number 2. Let's just say I went there twice, and this is the second time. So I'm going to give it this folder name. I'm going to create and then choose. Now you'll see here Lightroom shows that I just created a folder, and it actually did this on my hard drive. It's not just in Lightroom, it's in Lightroom and on my hard drive. So I see I have that highlighted. Now I'm ready to import the files. You come down to the right and click Import. And then you'll see Lightroom now shows all these images, and they are in the folder. If you come over here on the left side, here's all your hierarchy. You'll see here, when I hover, there is the folder, 16th Station 2. That's the one that I just created, and that's where they are in Lightroom and on my hard drive. And just so you can see, I'm going to go to my hard drive using my Finder, or if you are on a PC, it would be your File Manager. And I'm going to go ahead and find that folder just so that I can show you that it created them on my hard drive. Here's the miscellaneous file folder, excuse me, and then there is the 16th Street Station, that's a tongue twister, 2, which is what I created in Lightroom, and it shows you there are all the pictures. I just wanted you to see that. And then when you hover over each picture in Lightroom, you'll see that it renamed each picture with that file nomenclature that we said during import that we wanted, which was the name of the event, -1, -2, -3, and so on. I hope this helps you with importing files. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.